In the year 1919, the world was still recovering from the devastation of the First World War. Britain, once the heart of a global empire, was trying to rebuild its strength. And in the middle of this turbulent time, one small golden coin carried with it the weight of history, the British gold sovereign. On one side of the coin, we see one of the most iconic images in British history, St. George slaying the dragon. It's a powerful symbol of courage, triumph, and the victory of good over evil. On the other side, the coin bore the portrait of King George V, who ruled Britain from 1910 until 1936. His reign saw both the First World War and the early years of the Great Depression. After the war, Britain was struggling economically. Soldiers were coming home, industries were shifting, and the country was burdened with debt. Yet, the gold sovereign remained a trusted coin, a symbol of stability in a very unstable world. The gold sovereign wasn't just used in Britain. This little coin traveled across the globe. From London to India, from Canada to Australia, it became a true international currency. Traders, bankers, and even soldiers carried it, knowing that gold would always hold value. In many ways, this coin represented the strength of the British Empire itself, far-reaching, powerful, and trusted around the world. But this coin wasn't just about money. It was about identity, pride, and survival. During times of crisis, people turned to gold for safety. Holding a sovereign in your hand wasn't just holding wealth, it was holding a piece of history, a connection to the empire and to a time when Britain's influence stretched across the globe. Today, collectors see the 1919 sovereign as more than just gold. It's a story pressed into metal, a relic from a world that was changing forever. So now imagine, if this exact coin landed in your hand today, would you treat it as an investment in gold? Or would you treasure it as a piece of history, a symbol of courage, and a reminder of how even the smallest objects can carry the biggest stories?